This is a beautiful 60-degree morning in New Hampshire. We're all ready to go. Kickstand up in about 15 minutes. This is my club logo, and this is the channel logo. I like the new t-shirt. Today is a little bit warmer than yesterday, so we're gonna gear up light. Let's get on with the day. Well, hold on, before that, this video is part 2 of the 2-part video series to New Hampshire and to Mount Washington, to Lanconia. First and second day is in part 1. This is day 3, our trip to Lanconia, and day 4 on our way back. We took very scenic routes to make our way to Lanconia, New Hampshire. We passed serene Squam Lake, then took a long way around Lake Winnipesaukee. The weather was so nice that we decided to take a stop at Wolfboro.
Prospect okay? Are you catching all our banter?
Because I was the new guy in the block. I couldn't stand being the new guy.
Anything somebody much older than you, like us, leaves the club, you come up a notch too.
Come up with that.
That's why there's been some mysterious murders here. We don't know what happened. We just can't figure it out.
So there's either retirement or murder.
Right.
Then I level up.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
That's the way it works. Okay.
Alright, just in case you didn't get the joke, nobody gets murdered. Alright, that was a joke. So relax.
What's the name of that road that we took yesterday? Mount Washington Road?
Hurricane
Auto Road.
Mountain.
Hurricane
Auto
Mountain
Road.
Oh, you mean the
Auto
whoop-de-doo?
Road. Mount
Yeah,
Washington Auto Road.
Auto Road's to the top.
And at the end, we reached our destination near Winnisquam Lake in Lanconia. This was our big stop, and very important stop of the day, for food.
Process. Local stuff. Right place. 30 seconds. You said you want coffee? We got to deliver. Boom. We got to deliver.
And just like that, we finished our day 3 and rode back to our hotel. Guess what? For more food. This is our last morning in Lanconia. 5:48 a.m. Kickstand up in 1 hour. Bright and early. This is 6:30 a.m. It's a beautiful sunrise. Trying to put these bags in. Getting ready for the day. And all the mildew. Oh my god, it's as if it rained. Alright. We're gonna have to clean that. It's like it rained overnight.
Yeah, I know.
That's why you have towels. That's great. And with all the great memories of Mount Washington, Lanconia, and great food we had, it was time to say goodbye to the Granite State, with extra 5 pounds of luggage around my waist. No. So they probably set us up for the next one.
You're gonna head down the right side. They're stacking you like that in front. Just give him a little bit of time so that he can get parked.
So in the last stretch of our journey, we took Orient Point Ferry to Long Island. It takes about 1.5 hours to get to the Long Island on this ferry. We had food, we just killed some time, watched some videos, had a good time. And this is where we go our own ways to beautiful Mondays and daily chores. Thank you for watching until the end. This was a great experience and I'm glad I could share this with you. Please hit the like button on the video. If you're new and like the content, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave in the comments. Until next time, peace.